OER's reproduction of the 1969 Camaro dash pads have been designed to match the original manufacturing process in nearly every detail. Each OER dash pad is manufactured utilizing an injection-molded ABS base replicating the original contour and design. To further ensure total originality, each dash includes a correctly molded foam insert with an injection-molded vinyl skin, which looks and feels just like the dash pad originally produced by GM. OER uses modern technology to recreate the original design. The result is a much more refined and authentic dash pad that features the correct vinyl grain and consistent crisp stitching. Each dash comes complete with mounting clips, hardware, and installation instructions. Truly the finest 1969 Camaro dash pad on the market today. Available for 1969 Camaros with or without factory air conditioning. OER, setting the standard for quality restoration parts.